Let's take a look at how we can create a data set for the Power BI service, which is the web application, using OneDrive for Business. And by doing this, we'll create a refreshable report. It'll automatically refresh every hour for the data that is in OneDrive for Business. So let's do that now. Under Data Sets, I'm going to click on the plus sign and choose the Import or Connection to Data for Files. And I'll go ahead and click on File. And now you can see I have a lot of options where I can get my file. I'm going to go to OneDrive for Business. And it automatically knew exactly where to go to because I was logged in to Power BI and I was logged into OneDrive for Business using the same account. I'm going to choose this sample data set and choose Connect. Now I have two options, either to import the data or connect the whole workbook in. And I'm really only interested in the data, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Import. And now I have my data set listed here. And one of the things you're going to notice is that I could even use the natural query language to start asking questions if that's how I want to create my visualizations. Show all transactions with the source BBF. So I can see all of my balance forward. So there aren't that many transactions that are showing that balance forward. So I can probably just change this to show all the journal entries instead. And maybe let me add and account numbers. There we go. So that's something a little more interesting and a little more visually appealing. Pin this visual down. We'll put it in the same dashboard here. And now you can see we could start creating our dashboards. That's how we create our data set connecting to OneDrive for Business. Every hour, this is automatically going to refresh to whatever's in OneDrive for Business. So if the person maintaining that particular Excel file, this one, in OneDrive for Business, if they keep that refreshed and up to date, then my dashboard will remain refreshed and up to date as well. Hope this helps. Happy dashboarding!